Alright guys, first trip from the big red F350. 6-pack and a Searay. Made it out here to Rudy's to grab some barbecue. Boys get to go to a potty break. Truck did amazing. Just cruising on I-10. Big block 460, bone stock. Nice little gap there. Aerodynamic. Let's go. Here we go. We got our Rudy's pulled pork steak, jalapenos, and the wiener dogs.
And potato salad.
And potato salad. Let's go. Here we are, Lake Pleasant. Beautiful. Calm waters today. Set up over here to hang out. Then we're gonna hit the dock, which is right there. Nice and quiet. Perfect day for a boating. Little wiener dogs. Potty break. Let's go. Night number 1 here at Lake Pleasant. 55 degrees out. First thing on the menu, nacho burgers. It's pretty good, huh? Doesn't it? Yum. You got an extra patty there. No seasoning for the boys. All right, here in the morning, ready to hit the Lake Pleasant. I think my boys are ready. Boat's readied up. We're at the ready dock. Got to put the life vest on the wiener dogs. And then we're gonna hit that water over there. Here we go. Big boat, big truck, headed to the dock. See how steep this dock is when we get there. It's quite impressively steep. And we're sitting at like 11 feet tall. Look at that angle, baby. Woo. Holy crap. Nobody's here. Just us today. Wow. We get some impressive angle here. We'll get close to the water. And I'm just gonna turn it. Nobody's here, so I don't have to be so cautious about where I'm going. I'm just gonna go. Here's this angle. Starting to straighten out. Straighten out. Let's go. Yeah, straighten out slowly. Oh, we're straight enough. I need to turn the boat a little bit to the left, so I'm going to turn a little bit to the left. And once the boat is right behind me, it's almost invisible, so it's going to be a lot of correction here and there. There's no rush. Take it easy, baby. Correcting a little bit more there. Kind of back and forth. I'm going to take advantage of my camera over here. Take a look at the camera. Make sure everything is going straight like I want it. Looks pretty dang straight to me, eh? Touch down in the water here in a second. Hope you guys can see that. It looks real good. Touch down in the water here in a second. just didn't look like it was deep enough. Okay, go ahead and turn her on. All right, knee deep, baby. Super cold water. Carbureted boat. We're gonna need to pump the throttle. There's my little buddy over there. There she goes. Lifted. Floating nice. Somebody pulled up in a enclosed trailer. Pretty looking boat on the water. Alright, let's pull forward. Hop on, baby. Just want to make sure this doesn't come undone. So I'm gonna pull the pin, click it, click. Alright. Let's roll. Here we go. It's weird, I never see this trailer empty. Looks like that needs to be fixed. Cool looking. We're hanging out over here so that we can be close to the dock so we can have some lunch. Alright, turn my wheels to the right just in case she decides to roll forward. She will just roll right into those rocks. Alright, let's go. Making a run for it. Just a couple of us going for a little boat. Check out big ass ramp this is. It's amazing. Nice dock. Nice calm day. Hopefully she starts coming forward sometime soon. She comes, I see my little buddies. Look at that. Oh, a fish jumped over there. Sketchy. Pretty out here. Gotta go to off-road mode. Here she comes. Whatever you do, don't drop yourself. Coming in hot. Oh. Yeah. We made it. Woo. Find ourselves a private cove. Nice and quiet here. These guys are excited to learn what water is. drifting around a little bit. Ah.
But you can see the donkey. What is it, Woody?
What a view, baby! Selfie stick, classic. All right, here we go. We had some dinner. Headed out to the 10-lane dock way over there, right before sunset. Nice calm waters. Let's go. Slightly more primitive campsite tonight. 176 at Lake Pleasant. We got a really nice view here. Picnic table set up pretty sweet. Little fire pit hanging out right there. And a little bit more private. You only got people over there, nobody in the front or the side. Definitely no giant RVs. Nice view of the lake. We can actually fit in here with our boat and our camper. But if you couldn't, they give you a little spot to park your boat so you can bring the camper straight in. This site has no water or electric, so we're relying on the propane heater and this guy to keep us warm tonight. Bathrooms are right there. We don't really need that. We got a bathroom in our little unit. This is what it looks like. Looks like nobody's going to be there tonight, which is nice. Gives us a little bit more privacy. That's what the site looks like right at the exit. Pretty nice little spot for us to hang out tonight. One more night here and then we're gonna head back to town. And Slinky doesn't like the fire pit, even though it's really warm.